Here are the essential ingredients to pad thai. Not everything you're going to need, but the important stuff. This is tamarind. It's a potted fruit that grows around the world. We've taken the shells off. We've packed it into a block here, but there still are seeds. So to use it, take it out of its wrapper. It's going to be really sticky because it has a lot of natural sugar. And what you're going to do is break off a piece of this and actually dilute it in water. And there's a funny Thai word, it's kayam. What you're gonna do is pour some warm water into a bowl and just basically smash it together until you release the flesh, the pulp, into the water, because that's what's gonna make the cooking liquid. That's what you're gonna need to actually cook the pad thai. You're gonna feel the seeds and some of the membrane of the seeds in your fingers. Just smash it apart, let it separate, and then you're gonna eventually strain it out and just use the liquid for pad thai. Next, the right noodles, the best noodles, rice stick noodles. The same noodles they use for pho. Want to make sure that it is product of Thailand. Make sure that you've got either medium or large. These are the best sizes. These are also the same noodles that they use for pho. Next up, dried shrimp. These are medium size, as they come in small, medium, and large. They are salt and umami bombs and incredible flavor enhancers. Good ones come from Taiwan or Thailand, and you want to make sure they're bright and orange, just like this. That means they're fresh. Just put them in a bowl. Use them as is. If you don't like the texture, grind them into a powder, and they are delicious. Whatever you don't use, make sure to zip bag and freeze immediately. Sweetened radish, sometimes known as salted radish. Just make sure you're buying the Thai brands that have sugar in the ingredients. These are going to add kind of a pickly sweet pop to pad thai. There's no secret to using them. You just put them in a bowl and put them in the dish, but there is a secret to holding them. So for sweetened radish and dried shrimp, you're going to want to zip them tightly and just freeze them in the freezer. They'll hold forever. I like to use a savory baked tofu. It's firmer than the tofu in water. It's usually vacuum packed, and you're simply just gonna pull it out of the packaging and give it a good little dab with some paper towels to get all that extra marinade off. Slice it into nice thin tiles, and you are good to go. You want to use these nice and thin, just like you're cutting meat. There you have it, folks. Go forth and make great pad thai. Post your questions and comments below, and we'll see you later.